Leeches are an aquatic segmented roundworm. As you can see in the tank in front of me, they're quite an active swimmer when they do like to swim around. But normally, they're very sensitive to light, bright light, and they like to hide in amongst the vegetation, the rocks, woody debris that you find on the shoals and the edges of the drop-off. They're very long-lived. They can live 10 years as a leech in a lake, and so they become a very important food source for trout. Trout can basically eat them at all times of the year. Even during the winter months, trout will be feeding on them. Where they become prime food sources for trout is typically in the spring months and then late in the fall months when there's less food sources available for the trout to feed on. So trout, when they're feeding on leeches, they typically have to actively search for them in amongst that shoal area, looking for them, rooting them out of the vegetation. The most common leech colors are shades of brown, mottled colors of green and brown, black, and maroon. And these are typical size leeches. These are about 2.5 to 3 inches in length when they're fully extended, but leeches can get significantly larger than that. You'll often see them in lakes swimming around that when fully extended, they're 12 inches or 30 centimeters in length, so they can become a big food source. They're, again, less active during daylight conditions, more nocturnally active. And when the leeches reproduce, they develop a jelly-like egg mass that they deposit under the surface of rocks or under logs. And so there's no physical migration of leeches or hatch of leeches. They're just a readily available food source and typically fished by anglers imitating with fly patterns close to the bottom of the lake. And again, because they're such long-lived, they're always an available food source. Leeches are another great imitation to fish in productive still waters. Remembering leeches come in a wide variety of colors: black, maroon, brown, shades of green, and then mottled colors of black and brown, green and brown, maroon and brown. Leeches live at the bottom of the shoal drop-off under cover. They're sensitive to light. They're more nocturnal in their movement patterns, but trout love to eat them. And trout love to eat baby leeches, small leeches. Even though sometimes you can see fully extended swimming leeches that are almost 10, 11 inches in length, trout like to eat the little guys, real tiny ones. Okay, they're a great food source throughout the fishing season because they're long-lived and they're always there to be eaten, and they're a big food source. So remembering that they come in those different colors, we want to fish leeches close to the bottom. They don't often see leeches free swimming. When you do, you know that's a good time to fish them. It's a very vulnerable situation for leeches to be in because they're going to get picked off. One of the most effective ways to fish leeches is with a floating line, a strike indicator. And so here's my setup here. Here's a ruby-eyed leech, a very great pattern, black and red. And 18 to 24 inches above it is a swivel. And then I've got my strike indicator. And just like chironomid fishing, we're going to peg our indicator so that we are within a foot of the bottom of the water, of the depth of water that we're fishing. And even though leeches, you know, they do swim horizontally when they're going sinusoidally up and down through the water, as we saw in those aquarium shots, we're going to tie the fly on with a loop knot, and it's going to be drifting up and down through the water under the indicator, and the trout will eat it. You can also tie leeches that are balanced, and so that the fly actually does hang horizontally in the water column. So either pattern works well under an indicator, and it's just so simple to fish them. You just are going to cast it out, so, and that fly is going to sink. It's just drifting along, undulating as it floats under that indicator, and you're just going to wait, rod tip down close to the water, wait for that indicator to go down, and then lift the rod and set the hook. So, extremely effective pattern to fish at all times of the year. You could be fishing them in 5 feet of water, you could be fishing them in 15 feet of water, 20 feet of water, all under an indicator, or you can also fish them on intermediate to type 3 full sinking lines. And oop, had a bite. Had a bite while we're talking. On full sinking lines, because you're going to do a strip retrieve then, because you're going to imitate that leech coming through the water column. All right, and again, it's so important to tie that pattern on with a non-slip loop knot so that the fly can pivot and swim naturally. So if I was fishing with a full sinking line right now and retrieving, this would be the retrieve I'd be using with the Leech. Just a nice, slow, steady hand twist retrieve, and then every 4 or 5 retrieves, intersperse 2 or 3 quick pulls, and then begin to retrieve again. So, okay. Great patterns to have. Need to have a variety of colors in your box, and again, you can catch fish all through the fishing season, right from the day the ice comes off to the day the ice returns on lakes in the interior regions. You'll catch fish on leeches. So here's the ruby-eyed leech tied on with a non-slip loop knot, and you can see that when the material is wet, it'll be undulating naturally in the water column, so it's a very effective imitation of the real leech. And then I'll just show you one other leech pattern now, because they come in greens. Get a lot of green leeches. So here's a green sparkle leech, and again tied with very soft materials so that it'll undulate in the water, and it's got a gold bead head to add a little bit more movement to the fly, whether it's stripped on a sinking line or suspended with a loop knot under a strike indicator.